Imagine a world where you don't need to pay a human 6% in commissions just to sell your home. A world where selling isn't stressful, complicated, or expensive, but simple, transparent, and built for you. Where every document, disclosure, and detail is handled automatically. Where your home is listed in minutes, your vendors are scheduled instantly, and every buyer interaction feels effortless. That world isn't coming someday, it's here now. Meet Charlie, the world's first AI real estate agent. She sells your home start to finish, without the confusion, without the commissions, and without the middlemen. Everything a traditional agent would do, done smarter, faster, and fairly. Welcome to a new way of selling. Welcome to Loqol, the brokerage of the future.